Make sure that your toes are pointing forward. Then, just like you're sitting on a stool, with your back straight. Kiba Dachi, straddle stance. Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Shelley and this is Train Karate with Shelley. Now guys, again, if you're new here, please remember to subscribe, hit notification bell, like, share, comment, and let's learn karate together, step by step. In our previous videos, as I'm sure you've watched, and if you've not watched, kindly go back and watch them. We have been learning stances. Let's do a recap. We did Shizentai Dachi, Musubi Dachi, Zen Kuzu Dachi. Today's, or rather right now, we're going to learn Kiba Dachi. Kiba Dachi is also known as a straddle stance. Yes, straddle stance. Kiba Dachi. Now, it's not, we're not going to do so much. I just want us to learn the specific stance. Now, I need you to extend your legs outwards. Yes, just as you're trying to stand freely. Then place or point your toes forward. Yes. Then slowly, just as if you're sitting on a stool, but with your toes facing forward. And then straight. Yes. So from there, just extend your feet. Yes. Make sure that your toes are pointing forward. Then, just like you're sitting on a stool, with your back straight. Kiba Dachi, straddle stance. From there, remember all our stances begin at the Shizentai Dachi from our natural stance. Just be there, extend your feet, toes facing forward, then sit on your stool comfortably. Yeah, you could also use this to amass your strength, your stability. You could also use it as an exercise whereby you're sitting on a stool, then slowly read your newspaper, catch up with your book, yeah, as you're trying to also stretch these muscles and also these muscles. Yes, so I also hope that you learned something there. Yeah, Kiba Dachi, straddle stance. That's it for today. I just wanted us to learn the Kiba Dachi. Thank you very much. Catch you on my next video. Domo arigato.